Morning, Bernie. Okay, so today is some more production. So we've got 2 projects. We're at 1 now. We've got to walk through, but then a lot of kind of administrative, business development, strategy. A lot of that's going to be in the afternoon. So less busy on the actual fulfillment side of things, which is a rare occurrence. But when it does happen, I try to take full advantage of that time to really look at the vision of the business, where I want to go, and start applying strategically sound things there. All right, so perfect. All right, so we got a carpet in these 2 rooms. So what we did, this one was, we didn't do anything with the hardwoods. These hardwoods are actually in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of wear, but they've got some kids, and so they're gonna tear them up anyway. So they're in good enough shape that we left them as is. We replaced the carpet in these 2 areas. It's gonna be hard to see, but around each of these air vents, and maybe you can cut to this, there's actually mold growth underneath on the subfloor and the crawl space. I actually went underneath, took a look at it, and saw a lot of growth down there. So we replaced those sections all together, kind of checked everywhere else to make sure there was no mold anywhere. And that's just something you got to be worried about with North Carolina humidity. Mold is a problem. Same thing in here. We took out, we replaced around the register the wood, because there was growth on the underside of that. I think they're here actually. So. You have the LVP? You have the LVP?
Yeah. It's
okay. Okay. So that's how you know you're serving awesome clients right here. So we take extra care of those people. So interesting. Looks good. Looks good. Another day in paradise. Well, that'll have to do. It's a little, just a nice gift bag we give to all of our clients to just show thank you. You know, I mean, getting floors done's a big project. It takes a lot of trust to have this in your home, and so this is just a little token of that. It's got a nice little coffee mug in it. I love coffee, so hopefully they do too. If they don't like coffee, then they like tea probably. So. And then just a little handwritten note saying thank you. Final thing, just a little gift, a little thank you, welcome to the area. Just got a little mug in there, nothing crazy, but these guys will get wrapped up probably afternoon. It won't take all day, and you'll just get all the invoice, everything sent the same way, email, and so you should see all that. But any other questions?
Do you want me to pay the check now? Can I give you?
You could, yeah, you could now. Yeah.
Then that way it's just easier. Okay.
It's conversations like those that lead to the next job.
1 hour later.
So this is kind of what, at the last project, something that I was mentioning, but you can kind of see this stain on the plywood. So this is indicative of, at some point there was some kind of moisture problem here. So when I see this, okay, it's right next to the window. Probably what happened was when they had old windows, they had moisture getting in to some degree. So we just test this, make sure it's still solid, which this is solid as a rock. Test it with a moisture meter. It's dry. Visually, it just doesn't look too good. But when I see that, that's something we're going to take into consideration when we're exposing the subfloor. We're just going to kind of take a few extra moments to make sure there's no problems. Because when we lay this floor down, we're going to guarantee it for life. So upstairs, the same situation. We had the old 20-year-old carpet, and you can see actually here, because we've got all of this stuff moved to this side. This is their sewing room. we've got it all moved to this side. So we'll start on here, and then once we get up to this section, we'll kind of move everything back and keep on going. But this old carpet right here, it's I mean, it's falling apart. I can pick it apart with my hand, and yeah, just very dusty. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but we've already vacuumed kind of this section, but I probably need to wash my hands. It's old stuff, but it's been here a long time, and it's held up well. They've taken really good care of it, but it's time. It is time to replace it. Oh, perfect. I was worried about this little door part too, but it looks good. It looks really good. So this is all carpet, 20-year-old carpet. It's gross. We went down with this really nice laminate plank from Mohawk. It's a beautiful product. It holds up really well. It's very scratch resistant. Like, I can take my keys and I can, no scratches whatsoever. So this is a really durable product, really good stuff. So, and the guys are making excellent progress. Yesterday, all this was carpet, and now it's like this section's almost all already done. So yeah, looking really good. Really weird. Well, cool.
But I really like what we have.
That's good.
I love the color, and I mopped it last night, and it's like, oh man, do I like this.
Yeah, that's great.
So far, there isn't anything that we don't like.
Okay, good.
I like the choices that we had for picking out the flooring.
Yep.
When James was here, he was very helpful in helping us decide.
Great.
Because we were looking at a couple of different colors, and there were colors that I really liked.
Yeah.
And we both said, you know what, it's probably a little bit too dark. Maybe we should go with something else.
Mm-hmm.
So having him help us decide on the color was helpful.
Yeah.
And then when we see it down on the floor, oh my gosh, we made the right choice.
Yeah, with the visual, because he showed you some of the visualizer stuff too.
And he was able to show us a picture of the flooring using our room.
Yeah, yeah.
That is such a unique
Yeah.
opportunity to kind of look to see what it's going to look like
Yeah.
when it's done with the colors.
Yeah.
So that was helpful.
Okay.
And seeing what everyone has done, what the workmen have done, in taking up the old carpet and how efficiently they did it and neatly they did everything, and the way the floor looks right now. Oh my goodness. I don't know why we waited so long. I'm sorry we waited so long, but I'm glad we got Raleigh Flooring to do the floors instead of the other company that we were working with. This
okay.
was a much better choice.
Oh, well, thank you. Thank you. For
A much
saying
better choice.
it. Very kind words. Wow, I wasn't expecting that.
That was good. Where do you think people can find out how they can get the same kind of floor plan or the free 3D? Not 3D.
Oh man, that was awesome.
Yeah.
And when I first looked at it, I didn't recognize it, and then I went, "That's our room! Oh my gosh, that's what the floor is going to look like with our room." It was awesome.
Yeah, yeah. So if that's something you're interested in, just check out our website or link in the bio. Fill out the intake form, and we'd be happy to help you. Another happy client. I'm just getting my film, lock up my walk off.
You the walk up, or I guess walk off song.
The walk on, is that what's that meme with like the what, you know what I'm talking about?
No, but just saying that, it's music there.
So yeah, today was pretty light in terms of production. We just did those 2 visits, talking about the mold on the one and the kind of subfloor preparation that we had in the other. But now the rest of today is really just about business development, fine-tuning some processes, getting some more of the back end things taken care of, and yeah, growing a little bit more. So
I'll see you later.
Okay, all right, we'll see you.